Hi, this video is about the evolution of IFRS and the International Accounting Standard Board (IASB). Historically, the idea of originated in the idea of IFRS originated in the European Union to harmonize the accounting treatment across the continents. However, this concept quickly spread globally as a common language, which eventually helped in worldwide communication and interpretations of business data across international borders. Before IFRS, International Accounting Standards, that is IAS, were prevailing between 1973 and 2001, issued by the Board of the International Accounting Standard Committee (IASC). It was responsible for developing the international accounting standards and promoting the use and application of these standards. IASB, which was formed and established in the year 2001 1st April. It is the independent accounting standard setting body of the IFRS Foundation. Before IFRS, IAS were prevailing between 1973 and 2001, issued by Board of International Accounting Standard Committee. In 2001, the International Accounting Standard Board was formed to replace the IASC. IASB is the independent non-profit organization that develops and approves international financial reporting standards. This was a summit of restructuring based on the recommendation of the report recommendation and the shaping of IASC for the future. One of the primary reasons behind the launch of IFRS was to create common accounting language so that the business and the financial statements can be confident and reliable from company to company and country to country. IFRS sometimes confused with International Accounting Standards (IAS), which are the older standards (IAS) that IFRS replaced. There are still many IAS exist, such as PPE, employee benefit, as such. As of 2020, IFRS widely adopted in more than 120 countries. This included the European Union, many countries from Asia and South America, and the US. They use generally accepted accounting principle, which is also known as US GAAP. Now let's have a look at the IFRS Foundation. IFRS Foundation is a public interest, not-for-profit organization. It's reliable for the purpose of development of single set of high-quality, comprehensible, executable, and internationally accepted accounting standards (IFRS standards), and to promote and facilitate the adoption of the standards. Accounting Standard Board (IASB). The board is an independent group of experts with a relevant mix of present date, practical experience in setting accounting standards, in drawing up, auditing, or using financial reports, and in accounting teaching. Broad geographical diversity is also required. The IFRS Foundation Constitution outlines the complete norms for the formation of the board, and the geographical allocations can be seen and the individual profiles. Board members are accountable for the development and publication of IFRS standards, including the IFRS for SME standard. The board is also responsible for approving the interpretation of IFRS standard as developed by the IFRS Interpretations Committee, formerly IFRIC. The IFRIC, formerly known as SIC, developed interpretations for approval by the ISB, which review accounting issues that have arisen within the context of current IFRS and provides guidance on those issues. Due Process Oversight Committee (DPOC) in 2006 Trustee Committee is a trustee committee which is responsible for the trustees' oversight functions under the IFRS Foundation Committee. The Standards Advisory Council Forum provides an advice on International Accounting Standard Board's agenda, priorities, and insights into all the matters. Thank you.